You don't want nothing crazy.
Well, hey there, Rockin' Robin.
No way. That would work, man. You got that much room. Plenty of room. Give us some gas. Well, the front end to be a little higher. That's like a log trailer.
Carry damn forks in for nothing.
Stop it. Gotta go up with the training.
See your handle right there.
9/16 ratcheting ring.
Hey, Austin, maybe you should take your shirt off.
Get more muted that way. Just might have a top speed of like 50 or something.
I'm counting the rear end, the front end. This is probably gonna go to bid 75, 80.
Safely.
Depends on who's driving. I think I'll be able to pull it. It probably has too much tension.
I didn't tighten the big bolts on them mounts. They're all loose.
Holy crap, man. There ain't no way. Okay, got that one. I just had to say no way and it went in. All right, I'm gonna go to your side. Then we can remove the cherry picker. Be going.
I'm getting pretty excited about bringing that Camaro home to my house.
We entered this drawing for a Camaro, all right? Yeah.
Billy thinks she's gonna win it too, so.
He ain't gonna win it. We're gonna win it. It's that one orange one I was telling you guys about. She's got a heart transplant back in it, man.
So without cussing, tell us what you did here.
First of all, rebuilt the engine and then installing it pretty much. Actually, it was a wore out engine. Pulled out the wore out engine, rebuilt it. Now we're putting it in freshened up, so it's gonna be A-okay, man.
What engine is this?
4.2 liter inline six.
58 AMC.
This is what was in a Jeep, right?
Yes.
Yep.
79 to be exact.
Now I just got to figure out if it's a boy or a girl, and then we got to name it. Do you know how to see if it's a boy or a girl, Austin?
I'd be scared. I got faith in this thing, man. This thing's gonna do one of the biggest jobs that I want to see turn out just good. You know what I mean? There is like 3 different radiators made in one to make that work.
It had stalactites in it. It was pretty bad.
No, it had cellulitis in it. That's what it had, all right? It had cellulitis in it.
There was no way that radiator was ever going to keep this thing cooled off.
Yeah, you pull that cover off. Well, it's just right here. Here's your brake booster and your master cylinder. Yeah, right there. So you check the brake fluid. Because they added hydraulic brakes on this, but you got an air line for the wagon that gets hooked behind it. I don't know if that works.
We were talking about putting speakers through the ceiling and changing those lights out. And we were talking it'd be awesome if you could find like a little mini chandelier or something cool.
It's like a rainbow light. Remember them lights I told you about? Put that in there, dude. It's about this big. It has a built-in fan to it and everything, so whoever's there is getting blue, you know what I mean? Just running an inverter.
Somebody needs to get creative and make some chandeliers.
I mean, I'll do some research and I'll make a list of what I think looks cool, so we just get like a bunch of brainstorms together and just find the medium happy, you know what I mean? You don't want nothing crazy.
You got the Joe Dirt pedal for this, right?
Huh?
Or was that for a different one?
No,
that's for the old
that's
truck.
For the old
Okay.
International, buddy.
The Joe Dirt,
Your foot pedal?
foot pedal that looks like a foot. What else did you want to accomplish today on this? Anything?
I'm gonna get all the bell housing,
Motor mount bolts.
motor mount bolts, bell housing, torque converter bolts. I can put the starter in. So underneath part's done, so everything else I got to do up top, it's just up top. You know what I mean? 'Cause I still got to clean the intake manifold.
Might have to
exhaust,
rebuild that carburetor too. I don't know how good it is.
Clean up some of the wiring a little bit.
You got some race fuel in there.
Can you imagine? Thought about, don't tell Levi, but we thought about putting like a little straight pipe on this thing, you know what I mean? Just to give that cackle, but nah, people's gonna be on it.
Something you put on a switch.
Yeah,
Be sweet.
Like a cutout.
Yeah.
That's what we ought to do. You know, you get you some rowdy passengers are feeling good, you know what I mean? Flip you a switch to a little exhaust cutout, man. Sounds like a little header popping out the side, you know what I mean? Then you hit the switch back, it goes full exhaust. Called cutouts.
I know what you'd really enjoy is we put like a race motor in it, you took it to the track.
This thing would be like a wheelie, man. Like, you ever watch the,
School bus.
Yep. Yep, school bus wheelie, but that's what this thing would be. Just trying to drive this. Luke was talking about kind of like you go your pearl white, do a black top, you know what I mean? Put you like a little name right here where it's cut out, you know. And then like the tux. Put like black right here, kind of make it look tucked to like black rivets. The buttons.
You could always put Crystal Fountain up there in that spot.
Yeah.
As is right now. Bertha. Or you got Fiona, it's green.
Harold, Shrek, Fiona, Mom, Harold,
Shrek. She got a nice front end. Don't look at the rear end. She's probably white back there. But